Welcome back to another episode of the House Hunny. I had the pleasure of touring a beautiful home. This is the Williamsburg 2 by Joseph Scott Holmes. This is 2,463 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, open stairway and foyer, second floor laundry, master bedroom with a tray ceiling, walk-in closet, master bath with walk-in shower, a large custom island, and here's a peep at the floor plan. Living room with a corner fireplace, a flex room, which you're seeing to the right there. Or that can also be used as a 5th bedroom. But we were not able to take a look in there because there was actually someone working for the day. Very hardworking. So we did not get a chance to take a look in there. But trust me when I tell you, it is a really nice office space or even a potential bedroom space. Yeah. Here is some storage right there at the front door. Love it. And now we're going to take a look into the living room. Beautiful fireplace, stone fireplace that goes from ceiling to floor, hardwood floors. It's so beautiful. They really went all out with the upgrades in this home. I love it. I even love the decor. Everything is everything. Everything is just so adorable. I love this home. I literally love this home. Even the lot that it's on, if you guys want to go back, or you guys probably noticed, like, look how plush the lawn, look how plush the grass. It just, the energy here is second to none. Anyway, okay, so now we're moving into the dining room area. So beautifully decorated. I love that chandelier too. Oof, I love this home. You guys are gonna hear me say that all throughout this video, so just get ready because I do. Look at this kitchen. It is so cute. And you know what, I like darker kitchens, but this one honestly took my breath away. Light cabinetry, granite, maybe quartz countertop, pretty sure that's granite. Light backsplash, everything is so light. And then that rich navy blue island cabinetry. What? Stunning. Okay, so we're gonna come this way now and we're gonna take a look at what's going on in here. Okay, so this is the entryway into the garage, and they have a custom built-in 3-car garage. It's huge. The video does not do that garage justice. Okay, so this is a custom built-in across the entire wall. So pretty that it goes right, it's right into the entryway to the home, entryway to the garage. Great placement. This is the bathroom with a sliding door. Love those. Not a full bath, it's a half bath, but it's so cute. So adorable. Yeah, this was a winner. This one was a winner. This one was really nice. I was so happy that I was able to tour. Okay, so look at this pantry, you guys. Have you ever seen a pantry that looks like a full custom walk-in closet? I mean, it's a custom build with a window. This pantry is just can you guys tell I love this home? Out of all of the ones that I've toured, I think this one so far is my favorite. Yeah, so far this one is my favorite. It's just so cute. Check out the website, you guys. Check out the website. You will not be disappointed. Here we are going to be walking into the basement. Ginormous basement as well. You guys will see. So we're walking, we're walking, we're walking. Not a finished basement, but definitely has the potential for sure. Open canvas, what I like. But it is so pretty. The whole house, everything. Look at the basement. And then that wraps around. It wraps around. This house, you guys, has so much potential. If you are in the Midwest and you are looking for an excellent builder, check out Joseph Scott Homes. The reason why I say Midwest, because I don't want to limit them just yet. I don't know if they're expanding or what, but the information is all down below. They have some awesome quality builds. That's what they pride themselves on, which is quality, and I can attest to that. Here's another peek at the floor plan just so you guys can kind of focus in on what's upstairs. Little pause action. Love the fact that you can see all the way through to the upstairs right from the walkway when you walk in. I've always liked that, when you walk into a home and you can look straight upstairs, like that tall ceiling. It just makes everything feel so much bigger. Okay, so here we are. We are upstairs now. This is a 4-bedroom home. Another one of the offices, or another one of the bedrooms, is being used as an office. There are some hard workers over there at Joseph Scott Homes. So we weren't able to take a look in that room either, but you can see the floor plan and see the specs on that. Everything else though, oh yeah, we checked it out. Real good. Real good. Real good. This is the 3rd bedroom, according to the floor plan. Nice size. I liked how they turned a simple closet into like a custom type of thing. And then they even went as far as to upgrade the doors on the closet. Sometimes those can get really basic and bland, but I don't see anything that's basic or bland in this entire home. Like, even look at the flooring right there. That is so unique. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Huge too. The video, I'm telling you guys. Sliding door. The video doesn't even capture the entire, like, the true size. I wish it could. So here is the pantry in the bathroom. They took the flooring all the way through the pantry. They did not hold back. I love that. Love that. More storage. Okay. Bedroom number 2. Again, a good size. Look how cute they have it decorated too. When I walked in, I was like, oh, how cute. The little animal theme. So adorable. Same thing with the closet. Same thing with the closet. They utilize the space well. Yeah, they utilize the space well. Very nice. Carpet in the bedrooms. Call me crazy. I'm a fan of the carpet in the bedrooms. I know some people like the wood or tile. That's to each their own. But I think when you're going for a bedroom, and here's the master, that plush, juicy carpet, you cannot go wrong. Oh, this master. Oh, the ceiling, the tray ceiling is so pretty. Everything. The views, the window, the light coming through, the window placements. Oh, there's me. How they even have it decorated. Everything was just so spot on in this home. Shout out to you guys. Joseph Scott Homes. awesome. And this bathroom, you guys, oh my gosh, I love it. Again, I've always been a fan of the dark cabinets and the light countertop, just the contrast. But I don't know, they might have opened my eyes to something I didn't even know I liked. Look at the shower. Look at there's 3 different tiles in there. Oh my goodness. I'm noticing stuff in this video that I didn't even notice when I was there. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Okay, and here we are in the pantry. I thought we were going to be walking into the closet. Not yet. Now we are. Excellent, excellent closet space. It's not huge. It's certainly not small. It's definitely not small. But it fits the space, and then you can even see how they utilize even more space. They got it. They got it with all of the shoe holders, all of the cabinets. Yeah, definitely. All right, and now we're coming back to the hallway, and we're gonna head downstairs. There I am again. I literally love this home. I'm looking forward to touring with them again. JSH. I'm trying to pivot the camera so I don't get the office. Okay, you guys, check out the website and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on another home tour.